everyone, my name is Travis, and after a long slumber, I'm finally emerging from my cave. Some of you may know me as Art Journal Guy, but I've decided to change things up and give myself some room to grow. My new channel name is TravisGetsCreative, but as of right now, my socials are all the same as they were before, so you can still find me there. This is a diamond painting kit that I bought off of Amazon a few years ago as Christmas gifts for my younger sisters. It was a kit of 4 different canvases, and I had this one left over, so I decided to finally tackle it myself just to get it off of the shelf and to have some fun. I haphazardly cut some parchment paper to block out different sections, and I'm a lefty, so I'm starting at the bottom left. This is technically my second diamond painting, but I never finished my first. It got messed up during a move, so I had to throw it away. But sometimes you just have to let things go. I've kind of been hibernating since I last posted any videos. I've made the occasional Instagram post, and my Twitter got taken over by politics and stuff that I'm sure many of you didn't find all that interesting. I've been dealing with a lot of depression and anxiety, which, if you know me, you know is pretty much normal. I have panic attacks, and I was already struggling before the pandemic, but all of that made going out in public even more difficult for me. So I've pretty much been a homebody for the last few years. I plan to start slowly and focus on projects that I get enjoyment out of. I may post sporadically on this channel, so subscribe if you want to be kept up to date. I have a long way to go before I'll be done with this diamond painting, but sometimes it's more about the process than it is about the finished product. I look forward to seeing everyone in the chat and the comment section, and I hope the rest of the year brings you only good things. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out more about this diamond painting kit, just scan the QR code with your smartphone and tap on the Amazon link that pops up, and it should take you directly there. I'm going to let the rest of this video play out with music, and I will see you soon.